A little bit of a vlog here, my friends. It's supposed to rain. My zinnias have played out. Got a brown paper bag. I picked some a week or two ago. But when I pick my flower seeds, I put them in a brown paper bag so it can still get enough air and they'll dry without getting all moldy. Put them in a plastic bag and they'll just turn mold and rot. It won't be long before I have to cut these zinnias down, but the bulbs dry out and the seeds are still viable. You can plant them next year. As they get more dried out, I'll just stir the bag up and the seeds will fall off right in the bag. I don't have to pick them all. There's a lot of seeds on each bulb. And that's what I'm doing today, harvesting zinnia seeds for a future date. Hopefully Walter will have a future to plant them. Somebody will plant them. Here's a question for you. If I pick that orange one, not going to pick that one, it ain't dry enough yet. Would all those seeds that come off of that one be an orange flower, or would they be different colors? Like this is a purple one. Some of them are white. Just wondered if the seed matches the parent flower. I certainly don't know. See if I got enough light here to demonstrate. Some of these seeds have probably already fell out. Right in the center there is, yeah, see there's all your seeds. They're not dry at all. They're still wet inside. There's 10, 15, 20 seeds right there. So I'll have plenty provided that I don't forget them, leave them out and freeze this winter. And again, it might not hurt them to freeze. I'm gonna just leave them in this bag around here on the back porch for a couple of weeks or a month. I gotta get out here in the next few days and cut the grass. And I've got my weed eater. I'll get it out and cut these zinnias down for the year. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, and I thought about it a while ago. Here it is, almost dark. I'll wait till the last minute to do anything. Been inside making a YouTube short. Just got through making my "Did you ever have a Pwalpar?" short. It feels like it's trying to rain right now. I have been known to give some of these zinnia seeds away to people. I got started on these a few years down. My neighbor Jack down the road had some zinnias out in his vegetable garden. I went out there and picked some of his tomatoes that year, and he's always been generous about giving me stuff out of his garden. Just go out there and help yourself, he said. And I helped myself to some of his zinnia seeds. Brought them home, put them on the kitchen table, a little bouquet on the kitchen table for a flower vase. But I pulled all the seeds off and saved them, and next year I planted them. And these are all from those few ones I took out of Jack's garden. You can spend a fortune going to the store and buying already planted flowers. Or you can plant your own. I don't think I need too many more. Oh, what the heck? Somebody's building a house. The last couple of years I didn't grow any vegetables. I have been known to grow my own tomatoes and green beans out here. It's been a long time since I had a big garden, but you'd be surprised how many beans you can get. Just stuff a half a dozen bean plants. Oh, look at here. We get some seeds off of this tall flower. I don't remember what kind it is. I didn't realize it had got so big. And it'll come back every year on its own. We'll save some of its seeds anyway. Mix them in with the zinnia seeds next year. I think I'm through picking zinnias. That ought to be enough. What the heck. There's still some here. You have been watching an exciting video of how to save your zinnia seeds by Pwalpar. I gave the birds some food today. I haven't been feeding them much lately, but I guess they done quit coming. They'll find it. If they don't, at least it's there. I definitely got to bring my hummingbird feeders in before winter. I don't want them to stay out here and get broke. Appreciate y'all listening to me today. Pwalpar saying, hopefully y'all are having a good weekend. We'll catch you later.
Subscribe to Pwalpar.